Good afternoon, bro and people. This is Jabber Bergazi, and welcome to Jabber Talks. Tonight, I just want to talk to you once again. Actually, I missed this moment to share with you my beautiful life here in this country, but because recently we encounter a difficult moment, so that's the reason why I don't have any motivation to face my camera and talk to you. But right now, life is getting better and better. So I think I have now the energy to come back and talk to you and share my beautiful experiences in abroad. Okay. But sad to note because when I check my microphone, it's not working. So I'm currently charging my microphone. So this video, you can hear some sounds because there's no cancellation of sound. Okay, I didn't use my microphone while I'm talking to you. Anyway, what's the thing that I want to share to you in this particular video? I know everybody, if you are like checking my video, because I can see that some of you here, even if I don't have new upload, you are checking my account. That means to say you are excited to the things that I'm going to share here on my social media. So I'm also sad that I cannot produce a video in one day. It's been a week, I think, or more than that I didn't upload any videos here. So I'm so sad because everybody is checking and you want to know more about the wisdom or the idea that I want to share to you, especially if you are thinking of going out the country and work as a foreign teacher in any countries in the world who are now or which are now accepting Filipino teacher. Anyway, the thing that I want to share to you, if you really want to go out the country and work as a foreign teacher, for example, you have to do it by yourself. Do not wait anybody to be with you because it's a common notion for Filipino people that, for example, you have a close friend and you are planning together to move to another country and suddenly one of your friend doesn't want to go with you anymore. Maybe there's like different factors that we have to consider. Maybe your friend found a new job and I think or she thinks that the job is considerable for her to stay in the country. So along the way, she's going to decide not to continue the process. And you are at the moment, okay, of like processing everything, and then suddenly your friend doesn't want to continue anymore. That is the reason why if you really want to go abroad, do it by yourself. Okay, you have to be independent, like we are aware the difficulty. Okay, we don't know what will happen to us the moment we go out our country, the Philippines. But I want you to trust yourself. I've been in that situation as well. I don't know how to process everything. I don't know what's going on or what will happen to me in that particular country, but I just trust the process. I ask the people around and here I am, right? So if you are really planning to go out, do not wait for anybody to be with you. If you know how to talk to people, if you know how to ask, if you can find somebody on social media that might help you in that particular problem, don't be afraid to ask. You have to, okay? You have to utilize the resources on social media right now because I know you can find a lot of information that you can use in order for you to successfully go to the next destination that you want to go. Again, it's our journey. Do not wait for anybody to be with you. Be independent enough to conquer this journey because I know you can. If I did it by myself, I'm sure you can also do the process, okay? So for those who are waiting for my new videos that I'm going to talk to you, there's a because as of this moment, I cannot really tell you what's going on with my journey. There's a beautiful beginning that I'm opening, and soon I'm going to share that one to all of you. But today, in this particular video, I'm not yet ready to tell that one to you. Okay, so just wait for a little, because I will surely share that one to everybody. Okay, so that's my message to everybody in this particular video. You have to be strong enough, you have to be brave enough to conquer your fears. That is normal because we don't know what will happen to us the moment we go out from our country. But I want you to be strong enough and be brave. I know you can do it. Go, go, go. 2026 is coming, and the program here in Taiwan, especially TFATB, is about to open their portal. So you have to prepare now your documents and be ready to. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? Be ready to be part of the community in the future. That would be all for today. I miss everybody. Bye bye.